Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic MagicPlan tutorial how to rotate objects. So we'll create new floor plan, ground floor, and I will insert room. The next, if you want to add object, you can click insert again, create objects, and I will choose a furniture. I will use this example to sit sofa, and you can move into here. So if you want to rotate this object, you can click these icons, arrows, hold, and then you can rotate the object like this. Release to apply, and then you can move again the object into here. So you can click this arrow, hold, and then you can rotate the object. Okay, that's it for basic MagicPlan tutorial, how to rotate objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.